Dear students of class 8, you are welcome in science class by TT Singh, Minerva Public School. Particular, I ask the students of Minerva Public School, as I am going fast, they should follow me, otherwise they will left behind. If they want to complete their syllabus, they must work hard and follow me. Now, today we will study the chemical properties of non-metals. We have already studied the chemical properties of metals. Now we will study the chemical properties of non-metals. As we know, the non-metals, all the non-metals are receiver of electrons. They receive electrons. They cannot give electrons. They are electrons in outermost cell are strongly bounded. They are not free. Hence, they have tendency to receive electrons but cannot give electrons. Whenever they give one electron, they get one negative charge. That is right. If they give two electrons, say oxygen, two negative charge. One electron, we are one negative charge. These are ions. Means whenever a non-metal give out electrons, they form anions. Anions means negatively charged ion. Now the atom of hydrogen. Hydrogen is also a non-metal, but it has dual property. Sometimes it receives electron, other times gives electrons. If it receives electron, it will form H minus ion, and if it gives electron, it will form H plus ion. Actually, non-metals have no tendency to give out electron, but very active metals like sodium and potassium compelled electron to receive electron. In such situation, they form Na minus 1 electron, form this Na plus, and hydrogen plus 1 electron, that electron which is received given by this electron, it will form H minus, and then these two combine to form sodium hydride. Same thing happens with potassium, but not with all other metals. They can give electron, they can receive electron only when they react with sodium or potassium. Now we will study the reaction of non-metals with oxygen. Actually, whenever a non-metal react with oxygen, they form non-metallic oxide, and non-metallic oxides are generally acidic in nature, sometimes neutral. But we will discuss it next. But before going to discussing it, I am going to erase it. Reaction with oxygen. Whenever a non-metal react with oxygen, they form covalent compound, covalent oxide. Covalent means the compound so form is by sharing of electron, not by giving or receiving. Such compounds are when dissolved in water do not produce ions, and they are non-conductor of electricity, but being acidic in nature, they will become conductor, which we will study in higher classes. Now, nitrogen react with oxygen in different condition, different amount of presence of oxygen, and forming different type of compounds. Nitrogen plus oxygen, nitrous oxide, which is also called laughing gas. Nitrous oxide, it is neutral, neither acidic nor basic. Again, it can form nitric oxide, that is NO, which is also neutral, neither acidic nor basic. It can form NO to nitrogen dioxide, which is acidic in nature, and when dissolved in water form nitrous acid. It can form nitrogen pentaoxide N2O5, which when dissolved in water form nitric acid HNO3. Now carbon, which can when dissolved in when react with oxygen form in less amount of oxygen form carbon monoxide, which is neutral in nature, but actually it is highly deadly poison. Deadly poison. 0.5 gram inhaling, means half gram inhaling can cause death, and the person cannot reach the hospital. Now phosphorus, when excess of oxygen, it will form carbon dioxide, which is acidic in nature, and when dissolve this carbon dioxide into water form carbonic acid, which you can drink easily, and it is very tasty. As you know, what is its name? No? Its name is soda water. Now phosphorus when react with oxygen form phosphorus trioxide, which is acidic in nature, and sometimes it produces phosphorus pentaoxide, it is also acidic in nature. If sulfur react with oxygen, it can form sulfur dioxide or sulfur trioxide. Both are acidic in nature. When sulfur dioxide dissolved in water produces sulfurous acid, and when sulfur trioxide dissolved in water can produce sulfuric acid. Now we will study other part of this chapter, but I am going to finish, and I want to ask you again to subscribe my channel and like my video.